Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get the message button on your Facebook profile. Now first of all what you need to do is just click on your profile button and go inside the settings and privacy and click on settings. You can do the same process on your mobile phone as well. So once you're inside the settings, just scroll down from the left side and inside the audience and visibility, you will find this option how people find and contact you. Just click on this option and scroll down and you will see this section how you can get message request. So from here you can just make sure that for people you just set it to the chats or message request. Like these are the features like where can people request you. Either it is set to the don't receive request, so make sure to turn it to the chats or message request as well, and change the other one as well, message request or chats depending on you. Make sure that none of it is set to the don't receive request. So after that hopefully your issue will be fixed. Now let's say if you're still facing the issue, so what you can do is just make sure to make your profile the on the professional mode. As you can see, like my current profile is on the professional mode, so that is why I'm able to see this option called professional dashboard. You just need to click on these three lines and you will see this option. As you can see, turn off professional mode, because my professional mode is turned on. So you will see this option, turn on professional mode. Just click on this option, turn on professional mode, and after that you will be able to do it and anybody can message you on this profile. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.